Okay, give it to me. 5, 6, 7, say.
Nothing is impossible for my God. Nothing is impossible for my God. Nothing is impossible for Jehovah.
Impossible. Nothing, God.
Nothing is impossible for my God. Nothing is impossible for my God. Nothing is impossible for my God.
Impossible. You say nothing at all.
Nothing is impossible for my God. Nothing is impossible for my God. Nothing is impossible for my God. Yeah.
They not ready now. They not ready.
Nothing at all.
I said a taste, y'all. One, two, three, say.
Nothing is impossible for my
Your
God.
part.
Nothing is impossible for my God. Nothing is impossible for Jehovah.
Say nothing now.
Nothing is impossible for my God. Nothing is impossible for my God. Nothing is impossible for my God. Oh, nothing at all.
Now I need you to get that impossible situation in your head right now. That thing the doctor said, that thing they told you, and I want us to sing this one more time full of faith. That when we look at mountains, we can say it's only a matter of time until you move. Because the God we serve, there is nothing that is impossible. Do you believe it? 1, 2, 3, say again.
Nothing is impossible for
I need to
my
hear.
God. Nothing is impossible for my God. Yeah. Nothing is impossible for Jehovah.
Say nothing yet.
Nothing is impossible for my God. Nothing is impossible for my God. Yeah. Nothing is impossible for my God.
Nothing yet.
Nothing at all.
Now, can I tell y'all a story real quick? My little brother, Brentum, and his wife Zoe, this time last year, me and my wife were called to the hospital as they, on their first child together, had a stillborn baby. These people sow in faith, give in faith, trust God, and life happened to them in a way they weren't expecting. And as me and Natalie are sitting there with our niece, stillborn, in the room with us, God told me to speak faith over them. And told me to tell them that God was going to give them a child and just continue to speak life over them. Well, the day we went to write this song, I got a text message of my new niece, Ayla, who was born healthy, who is here looking just like her mama. And I begin to think, God, what are you doing? He said, whatever the enemy thinks he's stolen, I'm big and bad enough. I'll restore it. I will redeem it. I will give you joy where there was tears sown. Whoa. And today, when we begin to write this song, I said, there is nothing impossible for our God. So sing it one more time. Let's say, I need to hear you.
Nothing is impossible for your God. Nothing is impossible for Jehovah.
What's impossible for him? You say.
Nothing is impossible for mine. Nothing is impossible for my God. Nothing is impossible for Jehovah.
Okay, I told you this was a taste test.